taco shell. And here again, there's like 5 ingredients. It's just important that, for one, if you can't pronounce something that is an ingredient, then you probably shouldn't eat it. When you have an avocado, that you should always scrape the avocado out, because most of the nutrients is on the skin inside. So when you take an avocado and you just push the avocado out, you're not getting all the nutrients that you could be getting. I just do certain things to kind of set myself up for eating good. So like, one thing I do, the salmon I just showed you, I pretty much cook 2 of those every Monday. And I don't do the same, like I make one like how you're about to try, and then I'll make the other one with different seasonings. So then we'll have like some salmon with like vegetables for dinner on Monday. And then that's when on Taco Tuesday, I take the leftovers and just kind of make tacos with
and I also got the fish taco, and they were so different and unique, but the fish taco was kind of spicy. I really liked it, but I was very surprised about the veggie, so all of it was fabulous.
I love the salmon tacos. They were so spicy and so moist. They were awesome. I loved them.
I love the instruction on like the ingredients and how much she uses when it's not gluten-free and all of that good stuff. So great tips.